What if I told you that a free AI tool called Nano Banana is quietly helping people earn $700, $2,000, and sometimes over $3,000 a day? No, this isn't one of those just drop ship fidget spinners bro videos, I promise. Nobody's getting rich off fidget spinners anymore, except maybe the guy who invented them, who is almost certainly on a yacht right now laughing at all of us. Nano Banana, though, that's a different story. It's Google's AI image generator. It's free to access right now, and people are using it in some genuinely clever ways to make real money. These are real working methods. And today, I'm going to show you 5 of them, what people are doing, how much they're making, and how you can start doing the same thing. Let's get into it. Method 1. Learn to draw books. Yes, children's activity books. I know, not exactly what you pictured when you clicked on a video about making money with AI. You probably imagined something cooler, like hacking the stock market or becoming a crypto wizard. Instead, I'm here telling you to make a book that teaches a 6-year-old how to draw a goldfish. Stick with me. People are self-publishing these on Amazon using a free service called KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. You upload a PDF, Amazon prints it on demand every time someone orders, handles the shipping, and sends you the profit. You don't touch a single book. You never see a single book. You are a ghost who somehow owns a publishing empire. And these things sell. There's a book published just 2 months ago, a learn-to-draw book aimed at kids that breaks pictures down into simple shapes. And it's estimated to be selling between 23 to 29 copies per day. That's anywhere from $250 to over $300 daily from one book. That creator also launched 2 other books on the same day. Add them all together, and the estimate comes out to $711 to over $800 in sales every single day. From children's activity books, I need a moment. Now here's where Nano Banana comes in. You just describe the animal or object you want, ask it to break it into a 6-step drawing guide, and it spits it out. You can give it feedback, and it'll edit in real time, like asking it to fix a step that doesn't make sense for an actual human child to follow. Once your images are done, you drop them into a free tool like Canva, export as a PDF, and upload it straight to Amazon KDP. That's the whole process. It's almost annoyingly simple. Method 2. Scavenger hunt and activity books. Sticking with KDP for a second because there's another book type absolutely popping off right now. Scavenger hunt books. You know the ones. Pages packed with objects and characters hidden in a busy scene, and kids have to spot them. I used to love these as a child. I also used to lose them immediately and just stare at the wall. Not relevant. Moving on. There's an independently published scavenger hunt book estimated to be selling between 5,000 and 9,000 copies per month, and the author has published over 30 books in just a few years. 30 books. I haven't finished 30 meals without getting distracted, and this person has published 30 books. With Nano Banana, making these is surprisingly straightforward. You generate a large, detailed, colorful scene, the kind packed with stuff to find. Then, you separately generate a small panel showing which objects people need to look for, drop it into the image, and you've got your page. You can batch create these scenes, set up a simple template in Canva, and have a full book ready faster than you'd think. 2 book methods down, 3 more to go. Method 3. Book cover design. Here's a twist. What if instead of publishing books yourself, you just designed the covers for other people's books and got paid for it? Because here's a dirty little secret about publishing. Nobody judges a book by what's inside it. They judge it by the cover. That's literally the whole saying, just inverted. Authors pour months of their soul into a manuscript and then lose sales because the cover looks like it was made in Microsoft Paint in 2003. That's where you come in. One digital design agency on Fiverr has been selling custom KDP book covers, and on a recent check, they had 14 orders in the queue at an average price of $225 per gig. Remove Fiverr's cut, and that's still well over $2,500 in pending orders from book covers. Just the outside of the book. Nano Banana is genuinely excellent at this. You give it the book title, the author name, the genre, the vibe you're going for, and it generates a full cover concept in seconds. Then you refine it, export it, and deliver it to your client. You can even upsell a 3D mockup of the finished cover. Nano Banana can take a flat 2D image and turn it into a realistic 3D book render. Takes about 30 seconds, and clients absolutely love it. People will pay extra for something that looks fancy. This is not new information. This is just capitalism. If you niche down, say you only do romance covers or only do children's books, you can build a reputation fast and charge more for it. Method 4. Print-on-demand products. This one is probably the most scalable method on this list, and also the one that will make you feel the least like you have a job. Print-on-demand works like this. You create a design, upload it to a product, a t-shirt, a mug, a tote bag, list it for sale, and when someone buys it, a third-party service prints and ships it for you. You collect the profit. You don't hold any stock, you don't pack any boxes, and you don't have to interact with a single human being in the fulfillment process. As a business model, it is genuinely perfect for introverts, and the numbers are wild. There are individual t-shirt designs on Amazon selling over 4,000 units in a single month. One design, a cat eating a bowl of Japanese ramen, estimated to have made between $79,000 and $99,000 in sales in 1 month from a picture of a cat eating noodles. I don't know what to tell you. Cats eating noodles is apparently a multi-million-dollar industry, and none of us got the memo until now. That works out to $2,500 to over $3,000 per day from a single design. Most designs won't hit those numbers, but you're not making one design. You're making many, and Nano Banana makes it fast. You come up with the concept, describe it, Nano Banana generates the image, you upload it to a product, list it, done. The key is finding a niche that other people haven't totally saturated yet. There's a store that opened less than a year ago and already has over 8,800 sales, all because they came up with a specific, weird, wonderful idea. Turning people's pets into hockey players, cowboys, astronauts, chefs. Nobody else was doing exactly that. They built a whole thing around it and it took off. Don't copy. Get weird, get specific. Method 5. AI animated time-lapse videos. Okay, last one. And this is the one that sounds the most like science fiction until you actually see it working. People are creating AI animated time-lapse videos, home renovation transformations, room makeovers, and posting them to YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. And some of these videos are getting tens of millions of views for rooms that don't exist, renovated by workers who were never there, posted by someone who probably didn't leave their house that day. We live in a simulation, and I'm starting to think that's fine. Here's how it works. You use Nano Banana to create a before image, an empty room with a plain floor. Then you create an after image of the same room with black stone flooring installed. Then you feed both images into an AI animation tool, and it generates a smooth time-lapse clip of the transformation happening in between. No actual workers, no actual room, just vibes and algorithms. You chain together 4 or 5 of these mini clips, floor goes in, then epoxy coating, then furniture, combine them in a video editor, speed it up a touch, and you have a satisfying renovation time-lapse that people genuinely cannot stop watching. One channel posting these had 300 million views in a single month. At a typical Shorts RPM of around 20 cents per thousand views, that's potentially over $60,000 for the month from fake renovations, of fake rooms. The animation tools that make this possible are affordable, some have free tiers, and paid plans that work out to well under $1 per clip. So the barrier to entry is basically just your willingness to try. So there you have it. 5 real ways people are making money right now using Nano Banana. 1. Learn to draw books on Amazon KDP. 2. Scavenger hunt and activity books, same platform. 3. Designing book covers for other people on Fiverr. 4. Print-on-demand products on Etsy and Shopify. 5. AI animated time-lapse videos on YouTube Shorts and Instagram. None of these require you to be a designer, an animator, or someone who has their life together. Nano Banana handles the technical heavy lifting. You just need the idea and the willingness to actually start, which statistically is where most people tap out. Don't be most people. And if you want a deep dive on any of these methods, drop it in the comments and I'll cover it next. See you in the next one.